If you have a retail shop, a cafe or restaurant or a gallery and you want a small sound system for background music but want high quality sound and occasionally play loud enough for some fun, well, look no further, this BMB sound system is the one for you. This BMB sound system consists of the CSJ-05A active loudspeaker with 40 watts of power and a 4.5-inch driver, the CSJ-05 passive speaker, which is the slave to the 05A, and the subwoofer, the CSW-112A, an active subwoofer with 300 watts of power and a 12-inch driver. How many of the units that you need for your venue? It depends on the size of your venue. It could be 2, 4, or 6 units of the speakers and maybe 1 or 2 of the subwoofers. Let's have a closer look at the CSJ-05A. It has a volume control, it has a stereo mono selection, balance for left and right, mic gain, echo, and also Bluetooth connection. And it also has the microphone in and also RCA input and output and a speaker connection to connect to the CSJ-05. Here's the power supply, and these are the heat sinks for the amplifier. The logo is rotatable, okay, for vertical or horizontal placement. And these are the rigging points for you to fix them to the speaker bracket so you can mount them on the ceiling or the wall. The CSJ-05 looks exactly the same as the 05A with rotatable logo, rigging points, but at the rear it's rather empty with only the speaker inputs. Other than that, it is just lighter. It looks exactly the same. The CSW-112A is a very powerful subwoofer. It has a 12-inch driver with front bass pots. At the rear, we have the amplifier module with various controls. We have the volume control, we have the crossover control, and the phase control. And we have a line input and an XLR input. And this is the power supply section. Very powerful, 300 watts. So if you're looking for a good small sound system for your outlet, choose BMB for that sweet, warm sound. Call us at AV Electronics Marketing, Sdn Bhd.